30, my lords. With the consent of the petitioners, my lords, I'm praying for some accommodation, my lord.
Item?
30, my lords, 30.
Yes.
All of them seeking 3 weeks' time, my lord. We have to receive instructions in the matter.
You have taken the
Yes,
consent?
yes, my lord.
You happy to share?
APDCL, my lord.
Okay. You on the file?
My lords, we have yet to receive instructions, my lord. We'll file the affidavit in the meantime. 3 weeks' time, also.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
D. Chaudhary, my lord.
P. Chowdhury, London Standing Council, IBDCL. List the matter after 3 weeks to enable him to receive instructions.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, lords?
Yes.
My lord, item 27, my lord.
Ah.
With the consent of other side, my lord. Let the matter be taken away after Bihu, my lord. We have some personal problem today, my lord.
Therefore,
I am for respondent number 8, my lord. I have taken consent from the requisition.
I'm for the petitioner.
okay. Heard, Mr.
BP Sharma.
B.B. Sharma, London Council for the petitioner.
What's the date? Maybe fixed. Okay.
On request made by Mr.
B. Rahman.
P. Raman, London Council for the respond number 8. List the matter. When do you want?
Well, 22, my lord.
No, not 22.
After
Can
Bihu.
it,
22,
can it be on 24? Lord?
or 24. Okay.
On 24th.
You look.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention a matter for listing, Your Lordship. Admissions, the pleadings are completed. There's only the admission hearing which is left, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will kindly fix a date. That's why Your Lordship can leave.
After Bihu?
After being Your Lordship, whichever week, the date, Your Lordship. It's going to be
Yeah. 26th.
26th. I'm grateful, Your Lordship.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention WBC 1442 of 24. The matter is related to compassionate appointment. It has last listed on 13/3/24. The matter may be listing on 5 April.
Not 5 April, after Bihu. It was listed on 13/3/2020.
My lord, then
29.
oblige.
May I please, Your Lord? My lord, I beg to mention for listing, my lord. It's a leftover matter, my lord.
Yeah,
5/4.
not this week.
Next week.
26.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 4, lordship. Can you take up the matter after Bihu, lordship?
Therefore,
Petitioner, lordship.
your good name?
J. Chetri.
On request MS, made by MS J. Chetri, London Council for the petitioner. When do you want?
After Bihu, lordship.
List the matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I pray for listing of an IA for infringement, lordship, on third, your lordship.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention for listing up of WPC number 6341 of 2023. Lordship, the matter relating to compulsory retirement. Lordship may list a date,
24th.
24th.
April.
Obliged.
May I please? I beg to mention, my lord, item number 26. May come in the first week of May, my lord. Because the connector retaping has to be disposed of prior to that.
On request made by Mr. B. Pragayastra, London Council for the petitioner.
It may come on, my lord, 9th of May, my lord.
List the matter on 9th May.
Apart from that, my lord, I need to mention some factors for listing, my lord, before Bihu or after Bihu.
After Bihu.
May I please mention? I need to mention item number 41, my lord. Due to my ailment,
Hmm?
I am suffering from throat problem now.
Hmm.
So I want
You are Mr.
MS Ali, my lord.
When do you want?
On 19 April, it may be.
On request made by Mr. MS Ali, London Council for the petition. List the matter on, not 19th. 24th April.
24. Deeply.
May it please your lordship.
Yeah, so I want to move an IA. I have followed IA application I have filed. So let it be listed for orders on Friday, my lord, because it is a order staying the entire promotion procedure. So I want to some modification in the order.
Yes.
May I please, your lord, please. Lord, I beg to mention for listing of the one pension matter, your lordship. So matter may be hard on
After Bihu.
The view my pension matter is
That
not
was-
since pension was not paid, my lord. So maybe on the fourth, my lord, fourth April.
Not for. 8 April.
Masop.
Me, please, your lordship. I beg to mention this writ petition for listing. Last it was listed on in the month of January. So let it be listed on 19th of April.
19th will be some difficulties.
Then 24th.
Yeah, 24th.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention listing for Udal Lordship. So can it be listed on tomorrow, Lordship?
Not tomorrow. Third.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for listing of a WPC lordship.
Mm.
Last listed on 19-1. So maybe come up immediately after vacation
Yes,
on 22nd, lordship.
not the 22nd. 26th.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention a writ petition for listing, my lord. Matter is fixed for orders, completion of service, my lord. We take it. Lordship, any day in next week, my lord, 8th, 9th or 10th, my lord, for orders, my lord.
9th.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a WPC lordship. Before vacation lordship,
What is the matter about?
matter is the respondent, that is party respondent, has been selected for the post of Gaon Pradhan lordship.
Hmm.
And during the pendency of the writ petition, he has not been appointed lordship.
He is not appointed.
Not lordship.
Then we'll have it after Bihu. 24th.
Lordship, obliged.
Item 1 of daily leave, motion.
May it please your lordship. Matter pertains to my appointment on compassionate ground, my lord. The case of the petitioner was once considered, my lord. The lordship will find page 35. And rejected on the ground, the mother is also a government employee. Page 35.
Yes.
Remarks column, your lordship will find.
Which one?
Next one, my lord. The below one, my lord.
Second one.
Second one, my lord.
Right hand side.
Application is rejected. Mother is a government employee as per the principle of insurance. What happened, my lord? Your lordship will kindly peruse page 22, my lord. The petitioner is a abandoned child, my lord. And she has filed a case under 125 of CRPC against the mother, my lord. She being, my lord, left by the mother in maintaining her.
What case number is this?
This is page 22, my lord.
Case number.
570, my lord. 22, my lord. FC criminal 570, 2022, my lord. And this pending, my lord. This aspect
Any
was,
orders passed in this order?
this aspect was not considered by the, my lord, DLC, my lord, while considered the case of the petition.
My lord, very interesting is the case is filed in 2021, 2022. Whereas father expired in 2017.
And when was the DLC held?
DLC was, it was held on, my lord. On, my lord, 22/1/2022.
122, my lord.
When did you file this?
It was filed on, my lord,
It was
28/9.
When did you file this?
28/9/2022.
After 8 months of passing of
that-
this order, my lord.
DLC, there's nothing wrong with the DLC.
My lord.
There's nothing wrong.
Well, see, the petitioner is being, my lord,
This, I think this is an afterthought.
Afterthought, my lord.
my lord. Since the COVID was in there, my lord. the
No,
case was-
that is not the thing. DLC held this meeting on 22/1/2022.
My lord.
You filed this criminal case when?
On 28/9, my lord.
28/9.
Yes,
Then,
my lord. I have
so
stated
when
in,
the DLC made this observation, they did it correctly.
my lord,
It was correct.
my lord.
Then
So reconsideration may be, my lord,
how can I give for reconsideration? When the DLC held this meeting,
my lord.
this criminal case was not pending.
The petitioner, my lord, informed the DLC that mother has left her, my lord, abandoned her, my lord. Verbally, my lord, since there is no
That
option.
I don't. That we don't.
So I pray for, my lord, reconsideration of case on.
No, I can't. What is the stage of this criminal case?
It is, my lord, stage, at the stage of, my lord, evidence, my lord.
Hmm?
At the stage of evidence,
Any orders passed?
not right now, my lord. I can produce, my lord.
You produce? We'll see.
my lord.
Otherwise, you have no case. DLC correctly made the observation that the mother is already a government employee.
My lord.
Yes, ma'am.
Although my petitioner has informed the DLC, my lord.
That we don't know.
My lord.
So how do
Petitioner-
you go about it?
My lord. Petitioner has brought the things, my lord, before the notice of the my lord, DLC.
How did you bring it?
No, see, verbally informed that the mother has a,
Verbally information, there is nothing.
there is no provision for informing the DLC except my lord verbal information. That's why.
My lord, she has filed her application in 2017 after within a period of 1 year. If her mother has abandoned, my lord, she would have at least, my lord, informed verbally. She says she would have filed that criminal case. No, after DLC rejected, after a span of 9 months, she comes and she
There was
files it
COVID, my
back.
lord. COVID pandemic was there, my lord. I have stated everything, my lord, in the complaint, my lord. Page 23 onwards, my lord. May look in the- how this complaint has been filed against the mother. There are 3, 4, 5, 6 and my.
It's not my lord, disputed question of fact in this case, man.
We can't. Show us any orders that has been passed in the criminal case, then we'll see.
Yes, my lord.
My lord.
Otherwise, we'll-
Then I can produce my lord.
when?
After viewing.
On request made by Mr. P.G. Cycle and the council for petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
Double I vote.
To
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, this complaint is against the non-compliance of the order dated 25 August 2023. Which, my lord, will get at page 25, my lord. Sorry, my lord, at page 50. 14, my lord, sorry. The last page, my lord, of the order. Para 8, my lord. It is also observed that remuneration entitled to by the petitioner by dint of service may be released to him. But it's more than 7 months had elapsed. Well, no remuneration has been paying to me.
This is an interim order.
Yes, my lord.
There's no time specification. Well,
No time, but it's more than 7 months have elapsed, my lord. So how long I will wait, my lord? At least there must be some justification,
I'll dispose it of by giving them a time limit.
my lord. Let them appear, my lord.
no, there's
Thereafter,
no-
lordship may dispose it of.
There's no point in issuing notice. We'll dispose it out by giving them a time limit to pay you remuneration within a period of.
Then
1
again,
month.
I'll have to approach this honorable court if they are not complying, my lord. That
That's
is the
a different-
difficulty, my lord.
The only thing is that in this order, there's
Yes,
no
I
time.
understand, my
limit given. Then what more can we do?
My lord may dispose it of
But Mr.
BM Decca, my lord.
BM Dekkal and counsel for the petition. Stop. By this contempt petition, the petitioner is alleging willful and deliberate disobedience of the interim order dated 25/8/2023, passed by this court in WC number 4887 of 2023. Stop. The order is the operative portion of the order is as under. Page 14, A to A. Stop. Para. On consideration of the order dated 25/8/2023. It appears that there was no time to scrap for payment of the remuneration to the petition. Stop. Accordingly, this contempt petition is disposed of. directing the concerned respondents to pay the remuneration of the petitioner as pump operator, correct? Within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. To the above revisions, district petition, content petition is disposed.
Much obliged.
3. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
This, Lordship, this contamination petition is filed for against the respondent for non-compliance of order passed by this honorable court in WBC number 3604/2023. Lordship will find up order at page 11, operative portion at page 8, Millard. What when Millard, petitioner was dismissed from service, Millard, and against his dismissal order, Millard, petitioner filed an appeal on 21/2/2021, Millard.
Hmm.
And that was directed to be disposed of within the period of 1 month from the receipt of this order, Millard. But till
Have
the
you served copies
Lordship, on 14.
to the appellate authority?
Lordship, the commissioner and special secretary, Millard.
Okay, heard Mr.
M. Mohanta, Millard.
M. Mohanda, learned counsel for the petitioner, issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered proceeding within 1 week. 1 week,
Lordship.
list after 6 weeks.
High level.
5. Respondent is supposed to produce the instruction, madam. The other day, they have took time.
Yes.
Forest report, I will just. Forest report is not number 5, no? I can find it. Yes, yes.
Where's the forest?
My lord may take it up after some time, my lord. I'm just informing the forest standing of it.
Six.
6 also fixed for to take instruction, my lord. My lord, in this matter, my lord will issue notice. I have got instructions, my lord, that here the thing is, my lord, 2 lakhs. From this executive engineer, I have received instruction, my lord, yes. His name was forwarded, but because of some calculations, my lord, mistake, my lord, it was not, it did not come out in the final list. Now, my lord, having said that, now after Writ Appeal 45 of 2014, Upen Das, my lord, now we cannot do regularization that has been upheld by the division bench. If even by mistake also, my lord, it has happened. What remains is, my lord, they will get the benefit of Upen Das. That is there. So, my lord, I need to file an affidavit, my lord, so that my lord can on the next day can
Okay,
dispose.
heard Mr. C.
At least
discuss.
they will get the benefit of Upen Das.
No, my regulation, unless there is the order 64.
1
Division-
minute, issue notice.
Division bench of this court.
You are appearing for?
My lord, I am appearing for all
All
the respondents,
respondents.
my lord.
All respondents.
Oh, my lord.
For 2, I'll be appearing.
Mr. R. Dhar, learned additional senior governor. Appears for the respondents, 1,
1, 2, 3,
1, 3, 4,
5,
4 and 5.
4,
correct?
5.
4 and
Yes, my
5.
lord.
Mr. A. Chaliar, learned standing counsel of finance, appears for respondent number 2. And Mr. R. K. Talukdar, learned standing counsel, accountant general, appears for the respondent number 6. Notice on respondents are complete. However, you supply extra copy.
Well, you have extra, but kindly fix the date, my lord.
Respondents are allowed to file copy. This. The matter on this person. 6th one.
My lord. 9th of April, what?
6th one.
Huh? All right.
7.
Oh, 5 has come, my lord. 5.
Well, the
Regarding
the instruction has been received, my lord. It was forwarded to DLC, so DLC also has rejected, my lord.
And you got a copy of that?
Yes, I'm giving, my lord. Excellent.
ठीक है, हम लोग कोई नहीं जान।
Look, the opening letter is the forwarding of the CCF conservator.
Where's the DLC minutes?
My lord, I have folded a page, my lord. Specific regarding the and marked with pen.
Yes,
I don't know, but on what ground it was rejected?
it was
Not
rejected.
forwarded, not forwarded to the SLC.
It was rejected on the ground of late submission of application.
I have not filed late submission, but all the annexure will show that my case has been forwarded by the authority long ago.
But you'll have to challenge this DLC minutes.
Yeah, I may be served with this copy.
I'm giving that one. I'll give him a.
You sent him a copy
Yes, yes.
now, or you let him see.
My lord, I will forward him.
No, you can see this
Yes,
and
yes,
take
yes.
it.
Because I have, if I challenge, I need a copy, my lord.
Yes, okay.
So,
So we'll-
later on, I'll collect from him. I'll
Yes.
collect from him,
Then you want to withdraw this?
with the liberty.
Mr. S.C. Biswas, then the council for this. Press for withdrawal of the suit petition with liberty to file a petition. Mr. R.R. Gobar. D. Gobar, then the standing council
Forest.
appears for the forest department. With petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as expected. You give him a copy?
Yes, madam, definitely. I will let him.
Yeah.
Come on,
7.
Number two, promotion, no? Promotion.
Still government.
Instructions are yet to receive, my lords. I'll be granting me 1 week's time. I'll come in instruction.
That is on 8 million, otherwise. On the 8th of April, 1 week daytime.
Still government আছে নি?
হ্যাঁ?
Still government আছে নি?
Still government কোনো হেৰি নাই, proceeding নাই, suspension নাই, criminal case নাই, একোৱেই নাই। Let it be on 8 million, let them file immediately.
দেৰি কৰিলে দেৰি হৈ যাব। Instruction আনিব লাগিব। নাহিব।
মানে
7 তাৰিখলৈকে আছে। Well, I'll bring instruction.
Okay, heard Mr.
that's got to be.
S. Kotakil and the council petition
Copy দিছে না?
on request made by Mr.
D. Gobar.
D. Gobar and standing council forest.
Forest, madam.
List the matter again on
8 of 8.
I'll
to
bring it.
enable him to receive it.
I will let him.
Copy দিছিল নহয়।
8.
Wait, please, Lords. One of the secretary to the judicial department will issued in advertise on 3rd of November, page 17. For
Have you filed your amended cost title?
yes, madam.
It is not on record.
I have supplied it, madam.
Have you supplied or have you filed?
I have supplied it, madam, earlier,
To
madam,
whom?
to the authority, madam, bench section, madam. দাদা আছে নাকি রেকর্ড আছে?
It's an amended cost title. Just an amended cost title. Office note. You have not filed. Huh? Which one? No, in the rich position. With petition is not there, no? Yeah, I is a different. You have not filed, according to the office note, it says amended cost title has not been filed.
But I have supplied it, my lord. Wednesday, my lord, madam, I please, my lord. Wednesday,
On request made by PG Cycle, then I counsel for petition.
Wednesday, my lord.
This the matter, we'll have it on Friday, please.
Right.
Nine.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Malad, in this case, Malad, the petitioner for Lord Kaushik was functioning as Gangura of Mountain Place. What happened, Malad, by the impugn order, the petitioner has been replaced by the private respondent. Though he earlier Malad resigned from the post, on his resignation, I was appointed as a Gangura. But Malad, without issuing any notice to me, he has been appointed. Immediately after his appointment, my lord, the village committee as well as the petitioner, my lord, approached the my lord, council authority for my lord, cancelling the order. And for that, my lord, the private respondent, my lord, never approached the petitioner for handing over the charge. And accordingly, the petitioner was holding the charge, though the impugn order was passed. And while I approached this honorable court, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, on view of the my lord, in view of the not handing over the charge, pass an order, my lord, directing the parties to hold, my lord, maintain status quo as on that day. After that, passing that order, while the petitioner communicated the authority, the order passed by this honorable court, the private respondent, my lord, started functioning. Even though, my lord, I have not handed over charge to him till today. And therefore, my lord, I have filed an IA for modification of the, my lord, interim order passed by this honorable court, my lord, with a prayer to stay the impugn order, my lord.
Lordship, in this matter, I am appearing for Dima Hassan. Lordship, we will be filing our affidavit today. Lordship, matter may be taken up some other day, Lordship.
Yes.
Otherwise, this is regarding appointment of Gangura. There is appellate provision. Earlier occasion also I have already stated.
This
Submitted this.
appointment has not been made on the basis of the rule.
No,
They have made an appointment, my lord, without following the rule. But now, how can they ask for an appeal, my lord?
No,
And in Dima Hassan district, my lord, the 162 is not applicable.
It is applicable.
applicable. Lordship. Last occasion I have shown that.
It is applicable, read it. Give me a
By following the
No,
162, my lord, the private respondent has not been appointed.
Appointment has been
If
made.
it is not
Sorry.
followed, I cannot file an appeal against that order, my lord.
Appointment has been made by the additional district commissioner. That's it.
Whether 162 was followed,
No.
selection procedure was followed, not followed. What is the advertisement?
No, this is the appointment order. This was issued by
What is the
additional-
advertisement? Is there an advertisement? If 162 is to be followed, there must be an advertisement.
Right here, Lordship. My submission is Lordship, since there is an appellate provision, they will inquire the matter. Otherwise, Lordship, appointment.
Then let the appellate authority decide. Till then, the impugn order may be. If I have not.
Appointment order was made in the year 2023, Lordship. 3/10/23, and he approached after 5 months, Lordship. Maybe private respondent have already functioning there, Lordship. So my submission, Lordship, this petitioner may approach the appellate order, they will inquire the matter and dispose of that.
Appeal provision is applicable once the rule is followed. After the following of the rule, the appellate authority will come into.
There will appellate authority will say, Lordship, whether rule is followed or not, Lordship.
Those grounds you can take
Lordship,
before the
Lordship,
appellate authority, that the rules were not followed, this will not happen, this thing has happened.
It is a privacy case, my lord, I have been replaced by the impugn order. Impugn order does not speak about any selection. Impugn order must be filed.
Appointment order never says any appointment order, Lordship. Never says any selection process.
Page 21.
Anyway, you file you've got your instructions. What does your instruction say?
He approached the revenue authority, Lordship. After that, they both the means the petitioner and respondent number 8 was called for a meeting in the office of the secretary, additional secretary. But the petitioner did not appear here.
Then You did not appear.
No, my lord, as per my instruction, my lord, he approached the authority, my lord, he was.
He approached the authority, authority called for meeting between you and the private respondent. Then private respondent appeared, you did not appear. That is,
That instruction I don't have, my lord. That instruction.
how long, when can you
When
file
have
your
you got-
affidavit?
By today we will file.
By today. Friday will take up. Heard Mr. IS Cycle and the counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
Chi Sharma.
C.
C. Sharma.
C. Sharma and the standing counsel,
Dima.
Dima Hassam, autonomous counsel. Submits that they are filing affidavit within the course of the day. Stop. In that view of the matter, this case again on 5th April.
My-
Then.
Yes.
May I please just Lordship, initially, I was engaged as a tax collector under Prabha Gaon Panchayat Lordship. And thereafter, my service has been provincialized Lordship. By its order dated 30/12/2019, Annexa B, page number 18 Lordship. Page number 18.
Yes.
By its order, in pursuance of the government order number so dated so, the following casual workers PRI, the finance department notification number so dated and letter number so dated and so. Panchayat Rural Development Department who were engaged prior FRBM period 1st September 2005 government notification number so are allowed to draw fixed wages remuneration of rupees so which will undergo revision whenever pay scale change on so.
Where's
So
your name?
Lordship, and the place of posting RS given below
Serial number?
CN number 36 Lordship, which is clearly mentioned that Lordship, I was engaged as tax collector and I was initially engaged on 29/1992 under Prabha Gaon Panchayat Lordship. And in the meantime, Lordship, I was posted as a in-charge secretary Lordship. That is joining letter dated 26/2020 Lordship and Annexa A Lordship. Can you pay this Lordship? Initially, I was engaged as a in-charge secretary Lordship. Mohammad Saifuddin Ahmed, tax collector, Prabha Gaon Panchayat, under Corunamari Development Block, is temporarily posted as in-charge secretary of Dikram Gaon Panchayat. Srimati Deepsika Hazarika, tax collector, Dikram Gaon Panchayat, under Corunamari Development Block, is temporarily posted as in-charge secretary of public. Dikram Gaon Panchayat as Govind Murwa secretary is transferred. Head office order number 7. And thereafter, Lordship, I was again transferred as in-charge secretary again to the same panchayat, that is the Prabha Gaon Panchayat Lordship. And I was taken charge on 13/9/2021 Annexa K Lordship.
Annexure?
Annexa K Lordship, page number 38, Your Lordship. Your Lordship. And in the meantime, Lordship, one criminal case has been pending against me, Lordship, and thereafter, Lordship, FIR has been lodged by the Block Development Officer Lordship itself. That is on 13/6/2023, Annexa C, page number 22, Lordship. Page number 22, Lordship. One criminal case has been filed against me, Lordship, and stating that Lordship, the misappropriate of government fund, Lordship. Accordingly, case has been registered under Bangalmora PS case number 119/23. And in the meantime, Lordship, the Honorable High Court has released me on bail, Lordship, and I was under 56 days in judicial custody. And thereafter, Lordship, that is the Annexa D, page number 27, Honorable High Court order. That is the bail order, Lordship, whereby release me on bail, Lordship. Page number 27, Lordship. Page number 27, Lordship.
and page number 28 specifically categorically mentioned that I was undergo 56 days judicial custody. Thereafter, I was released on bail. And Lordship, after enlarged on bail, Lordship, I immediately informed to the authority, Lordship, that I was enlarged on bail, so I may be allowed to resume my services, Lordship. But very unfortunately and surprisingly, Lordship, the authority, that is the Chief Executive Officer, Lordship, not allow me to resume my services, Lordship.
Where's that?
That is my application, Lordship, Annexure E page number 31, Lordship. That is my application, Lordship, to the Chief Executive Officer, Lordship.
What date is this?
Date 2/11/2023, Lordship. I approached before the authority, so allow me to resume my services, Lordship, as because I was enlarged on bail, Lordship. Not only the Chief Executive Officer, Lordship, I also approached before the President as well as the Commissioner and Secretary, Lordship. But Lordship, I was also protected under Article 311, Lordship. It is also violation of Article
How do you
20.
say 311?
311 Constitution of India stated that what is the what protection is given to the civil
You
servant.
only have fixed. You have
Although my
listed only
service has been not regularization,
fixed remuneration.
but my service has been governed, Lordship.
How?
So, Lordship, I have already
Yes, what do you have?
your Lordship.
This stage notice may go, my lord. I'll take instruction whether his statements are correct or not, my lord.
What is the legal bar of obstruction the way to resume my
But
services?
Mr. M. Saikia.
M. Saikia.
London Council for Petition. Issue notice. Yeah, appearing for
I'm for 1, 2, 5, and 6.
Mr.
S. Doctor.
S. Datta, London Standing Council, PNRD. Appears for respondents 1, 2,
5, and 6.
5, and 6.
I will appear for my lord.
H. Alia, London Standing Council Finance appears for respondent number 3, and Mr. R. Dar, London Additional Senior Government Advocate appears for respondent number 4. Notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies be furnished to the London Council for the respondents. Within the course of the day?
Yes.
Within the course. Respondents are allowed to file contract. List of the followings.
Deeply obliged.
11.
This matter relates to promotion, my lord, from the post of junior engineer to the post of assistant engineer, my lord. Lordship, we issue notice at this stage, my lord. I am paying for any.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, may kindly have a look page 12, the prayer portion.
Yes.
Prayer number 1, by directing the respondent authority to immediately promote the petitioner to the next higher post of assistant engineer equivalent post under the director of so and so, database being promoted. Lordship, this it is not maintainable because this honorable court has already dismissed his petition regarding his promotion.
Where the
Yes,
My lord,
Lordship,
there
may
was
kindly
different-
have a look in the
Petitioner was asking
no,
for a
no.
different post.
Page
To which
38.
cadre to which
Page
cadre he
38,
doesn't belong.
Annexure 6. Page 38, Annexure 6.
review?
Review. In the initially, this honorable court has directed to promote it because there is separation of material fact. All has been reflected in this order, my lord. Then my lord may kindly have a look the relevant paragraph of this honorable court order, page 50, my lord. Because the person was regularized in a personal post. So there is no promotional avenue in the person who regularized under promotional post. Page 50, paragraph 34. May I read, my lord? The division bench of this court in the case of Dilip Talukdar Supra had held that the post in which the petitioner were regularized was never added to the notified cadre in the department, and thus it was held that temporary creation of post cannot automatically add to the cadre strength of the department, and claim for promotion from a person holding an ex-cadre post is legally not tenable. Para 11-12 of the said decision is extracted below. 11. On the basis of the above reasoning, the prayer for promotion made by the ex-cadre incumbent holding post on personal basis was found to be untenable, and accordingly the cases came to be dismissed under the common judgment so and so. Then Lordship may kindly have a look, paragraph 35, my lord. Page 51. May I read, my lord? In this case, the respondent number 1, this is the read petitioner, my lord. Respondent number 1, this is the petitioner right now. The respondent number 1 had miserably failed to show that regularized work towards junior engineer is the feeder cadre to the post of assistant river surveyor. Moreover, the respondent number 1 has also failed to show that the post of regularized works as junior engineer, a personal post to which the respondent number 1 was appointed as an encadred in the director of so-and-so. And 36. Thus, the court has no hesitation to hold that the pleaded facts were incorrectly appreciated when the writ petition was decided by the order impugning this review application. Moreover, the respondent number 1 had suppressed material fact in the writ petition that the government had notified 2 separate gradation list assistant river surveyor in the director of so-and-so and regularized works as junior engineer. The said fact that a direct bearing in the case suppression of material facts otherwise amount to playing fraud with the court, and therefore the court would have an inherent power to revisit the impugned order which has been fraudulently obtained by the suppression of material fact even in a collateral proceeding. Therefore, not only the review petition would be maintainable, but the review petitioner has been able to make out a case for review of the order dated 26/2/2019 passed by this honorable court so-and-so. So, in the light of this discussion above, the court is of the considered opinion that it's a fit and proper case to recall the said impugned order dated so-and-so passed by this honorable court. This court is inclined to hold the respondent number 1, the writ petitioner is not entitled to the promotion to the post of so-and-so, my lord. So, since that prayer has already been rejected by this honorable court, and division bench judgment Dilip Talukdar is prevail in this case, my lord. This may be dismissed, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, first of all, Lordship will kindly see my regulation order at page 15.
Page?
Page 15, my lord. Page 15, type copy, my lord. The column 2, that the posts which are created herein for regularization will be personal to the incumbent and created by name, which will be automatically abolished as soon as the incumbent retires, is promoted, dies, or resigns. This order doesn't say I cannot be promoted.
No. Maybe this order does not say. But what right you have for promotion to a cadre post?
Yes, but I have been.
You are not in cadre.
Yes.
You are holding an ex-cadre post.
No, my lord.
No, the
Not
creation
that
of post is.
Dilip Kolita case, my lord. This Dilip Kolita case is a completely different case, my lord.
Oh, no.
Let me speak first.
Mr. Khalid Saikia.
My lord, Dilip Kolita case.
You want to argue with her or you want to argue
No,
with
my
me?
lord. I am arguing something and she is interrupting. While she was arguing, my lord, I was just interrupting her. This is not the way of arguing, my lord.
Yes, proceed.
My lord, Dilip Kolita case is, my lord, like regarding, my lord, regularized master workers, my lord. In those regulation orders, my lord, there is specifically mentioned that those persons, my lord, are regularized against a personal post, and the post will be abolished as and when they relinquish the post by way of retirement or it dies or anything else. In that those orders, my lord, the condition of promotion does not appear.
No, this order was considered in the review petition, isn't it?
My
This
lord,
order was
this
considered in the
particular
review
aspect was
petition.
not considered, my lord.
Why not?
This clause was not considered.
No, no.
This clause regarding that is promoted. Post will be abolished as and when the person who is promoted or retires or dies. There is a condition for promotion in the regulation order.
That promotion will be to another ex-cadre post. Not the cadre post.
But my lord, they have
Read para 2 properly.
I will take a lawsuits to the
Let us read para 2 again.
my lord, that the posts which are created herein for regularization will be personal to the incumbent and created by the name, which will be automatically abolished as soon as and the incumbent retires, is promoted, dies, or resigns.
Yes. So it's personal to the incumbent.
Yes.
Created by name.
Yes, my lord. Then I will
Then-
give lordships to the my lord gradation list. Gradation list, where my lord, my name appear at my lord serial number 15. And the person at serial number 34 has been promoted from the same gradation list.
I think this is barred by res judicata.
This aspect was that petition was filed for promotion to the post of my lord river inspector from the post of assistant river inspector. I am holding the post of assistant river inspector surveyor, my lord, on a temporary basis. I am not a cadre. I'm not holding the post permanently, my lord, but I am holding the post of junior engineer permanently. Now I am praying for promotion to the post of assistant engineer, not to the post of my lord river inspector.
No, whatever post you may be claiming to,
My
you're holding an ex-cadre post.
the person belonging to my cadre are being promoted. My juniors are promoted. Why not me, my lord?
Were your juniors also
promoted, my lord?
no, they regularized by the
Yes, my lord.
same order?
Yes.
Where's the
But,
where's the
but
name?
not by the same order, by the separate order. But they were also appointed on works as master basis, my lord, and they were regularized. Subsequently, they were entered in the gradation list, and they have been promoted.
Were you encatered in the cadre strength?
This is encatered, my lord. This is the my lord.
Where's the order showing your encaterment?
My lord, the page 24.
Yes.
This is the provisional gradation list of
that
junior
we have seen.
engineer. Provisional gradation list of
But
junior
there's been
engineer.
order bringing you to the cadre strength. Where's the order of encaterment?
In this gradation list, I am there, my lord.
Maybe your name is there. Maybe this is a mistake.
Oh. itu put gradation of encaterment of task. My lord, here, my lord, the person at page serial number 34. I am at page, my lord, serial number 15. My lord, the gradation list. Subhajyoti Sharma. He has been promoted.
34 may have been promoted.
Yes, my lord. He is also, my lord, he was also a works as junior engineer.
Where is the order of this 34, serial number 34?
Page 27, ma'am.
Page
27.
This is a totally different footing. They're treated as direct recruits.
My lord, they have been promoted to the post of assistant engineer. Assistant engineer, my lord.
Promoted to official, see the last line. They are
Promoted
treated
to
as
official-
direct recruits in the post of assistant engineer.
My lord. They have been treated.
They are treated as direct recruits.
But-
Your footing is totally different.
My lord, they have been
You're on
promoted.
different footings.
The order itself says they have been promoted.
Maybe.
But last line they have added.
They are
last-
treated as direct
Yes,
recruits.
that same
So
order
what
can
is the
pass in
meaning
my
of
case
direct
also.
recruit?
Same-
Direct recruit means what?
My lord, the rule says they have no rule as on that, my lord. They have a, my lord, draft rule. Under the draft rule, my lord,
See,
there is
your
provision-
order of page 27 annexure 4 and page 15 annexure 1 are totally different orders. Annexure 1 by which you have been posted, regularized, is personal to you
Yes, my lord.
and by name.
Then, my lord, I will have to collect the regulation order of those two candidates, my lord.
This
At
is the
page
regulation
27.
order.
at page 27.
Huh?
At page 27, the Subhajyoti Sharma, he was also works as per my instruction, my lord. He was also works as junior engineer. His service was regularized. But then I will have to obtain his regulation order, my lord, to my lord, substantiate my case that my lord, I am on the same
So
footing.
you have filed a half cooked writ petition.
But I'll file an individual affidavit in that case, my lord, by annexing his regulation order.
Let him file, let's see.
Lordship, may I submit one thing? There are two separate gradation lists. In a order of this review petition, that is reflected, page 51. Para 36. Okay, my lord. Thus, the court has, Lordship, I have got it, page 51, paragraph 36. Thus, the court has no hesitation to hold that the pleaded facts were incorrectly appreciated when the writ petition was decided by the order impugned in the review application. Moreover, the respondent number 1 has suppressed material fact in writ petition that the government had notified two separate gradation lists for assistant river surveyor in the director of IWTU and regularized works as junior engineer. I see there are two separate gradation lists. One is from the personal post holder and the regularized holder. This is written in the paragraph 13 also, page 43.
That has been, my lord, recorded as misrepresentation on the part of the petition, my lord, respondent number 1.
Hmm.
He said that there is two gradation list.
No.
That was not correct. Yes.
No.
So for my understanding,
No,
goes, my
Lordship.
lord.
Paragraph 13, this is my submission, page 43. Page 43. I have annexed all those documents in the review petition, my lord. Page 43, paragraph 13. It was further submitted that the Inland Water Transport Department has a gradation seniority list for junior engineer regularized from work charge, which is an ex-cadet post, and there is a separate gradation seniority list for the junior engineer. Because the person is holding the personal post, there should be.
No, I've got your point.
My
I've
lord.
got your point.
Lordship may dismiss this petition because this prayer has already been decided by this honorable court.
Yes. My lord, page 18. I've got the regulation order, my lord. Subhajyoti Sharma and the petitioner.
Page 18.
Page 18, name of Subhajyoti Sharma appears, my lord. Serial number 36. Same order. He was
Page
regularized.
18.
Page 18 of the writ petition, my lord. Serial number 36. Subhajyoti Sharma. He was regularized by the same order. My name appears at serial number 16 and his name appears at my lord, serial number 36.
But can this court perpetuate an illegality?
No, my lord, this is not an illegality. The order itself says,
This
the order itself,
See, they've approached the administrative tribunal.
yes, my lord.
On the basis of that administrative tribunal's order,
Yes.
they were promoted as the assistant engineer,
My lord, same,
and they were treated as direct recruits.
same relief cannot be denied to the petitioner also, my lord.
No.
Negative equality cannot be.
This is not a negative equality. The order itself, the regulation order itself says that there is a scope for promotion. The post will be relinquished as and when he is promoted or retires. It will be abolished. In the case of, my lord, pastoral casual workers, my lord, in those orders, my lord, the board's promotion doesn't appear.
This
And
case, I think your grounds were already considered by a court unit bench of this court in that particular review petition.
No, but that was a completely different, my lord, case, my lord.
How
Where,
can
my
you
lord,
say it's a different
where,
case?
my lord, the petitioner was asking for promotion to the post of
Paragraph 13,
surveyor.
paragraph 13 clearly says that there are two separate gradation lists.
My lord, he
You'll
was,
have to satisfy this court, psyche, you'll have to satisfy this.
Lordship will take up, my lord, after some days. After vacation, Lordship will take. In the meantime, my lord, I'll have to take instruction from my client.
You take instructions, proper instructions. Today, I'm not dismissing. Let us wait for on the request made by I also. Please, after 3 weeks,
My lord, after vacation, Lordship will fix a date, my lord.
please down 26th April.
My lord.
Deeply obliged.
I'm sorry for my lord losing my cool. Normally, my lord, I do not.
Be careful.
Sir.
Deeply obliged.
12. May I please, your lordship? This is matter relates to dismissal from service, your lordship. Removal from service. Your lordship. Removal from service. We have put that to challenge, your lordship. May either admit or your lordship.
Have you filed an appeal?
Appeal also dismissed, your lordship.
Appeal dismissed.
Against that, your lordship.
Third, Mr. S. Boytakul on the counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Mr.
DJ does.
DJ Das, then the CGC
For one. Correspondent number one.
appears for the respond number 1. Rest you'll have to take steps.
Erase the
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 2, 3, 4, and 5 by registered post ID within 1 week.
Lordship.
List after 4 weeks.
Deeply applied.
13.
May I please, my lord? My lord, here I'm challenging the order passed by the Office of the Superintendent of Police, Dibrugarh. Page number 35, ma'am.
Yes.
My lord, by this order, I have been removed from service, my lord. The basic fact of the case involved herein, my lord, I am the UB constable, unarmed branch constable. I was given a duty to escort in a duty of from Central Jail to Subdivisional Magistrates Court. In the process, my lord, while I was in this service, there is an allegation made against me is that I was in a intoxication stage. I have consumed alcohol. I am not denying the fact that I have not consumed alcohol. I have consumed the alcohol, my lord. After it was observed by the learned magistrate, it was informed to the nearby police station, and accordingly, one SI had come and he approached me and took me for medical examination. In the medical examination, it was found that yes, there was a smell of alcohol in me, but I was in a very stable condition. The medical report I will refer to lordship.
Whether you are stable or unstable, that is a different issue.
Yes, yes, lordship. I understand.
Were you under the influence of
Yes.
alcohol?
Yes, I was in the influence of alcohol.
During duty hours?
During duty hours.
Then-
Duty hours.
Then,
Lordship, here actually I'm challenging the.
anyway, you are challenging this order, isn't it?
Yes, because I have also made an appeal. The appeal was also rejected.
Where's the appeal?
My lord, the
38. Then we issue notice.
But
But
there is-
Mr.
K. Vishwakarma, my lord.
K. Vishwakarma and counsel for the petitioner issue notice.
My lord, there is an interim prayer.
No
after it.
interim.
My lord, just a
Yes,
prayer is, my lord, that I may be allowed to stay in the quarter which was given.
No.
My lord, otherwise, my
You
lord,
are
the-
appearing for?
My lord, I am appearing for 1 to 6.
Mr. R. Darlan, additional senior government advocate, appears for respondents 1 to 6. Officer in charge,
Yes, my lord.
that also you can take it.
I can, my lord.
Appears on behalf of all the respondents.
Whole man.
Notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies we serve to the learned counsel appearing for the respondents. Stop. Respondents are allowed to file counter affidavit. List after 4 weeks.
obliged, my lord.
14.
My please, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
please.
My lord, this matter relating to the pensionary, family pensionary benefit, my lord. Now, the petitioner husband, my lord, expired while he was service as my lord LDA. His pension paper was forwarded, thereafter, my lord, pension paper was returned due to some deficiencies found in the pension papers. First, my lord, his service was less than 20 years. Then, my lord, he requires my lord approval of the my lord pension PPG department, pension and public grievance department, and head office may obtain service book return with a direction to rectify the defect. Accordingly, service book was resubmitted after rectifying the defect. My lord, kindly see page, my lord, 68. The type copy is the impugn order, my lord. Page 70 is the my lord photocopy of the impugn order, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, serial number 1. The incumbent has rendered less than 20 years of service, hence PPG from middle, my lord. PPG department approval is necessary. He may obtain the same. In submission of new pension proposal, steps should be taken to see that the above deficiency does not recur again, leading to return of the pension proposal. Service book in original along with pension papers is returned herewith for needful action. Please return the same after meeting the deficiency as noted above urgently. Then, my lord, page 71. Page 71, service book written on my lord of 14/6/2019, my lord. Here, my lord, from that my lord notification letter, my lord, I could understand it, my lord, that there is not clear language. Then, my lord, I may be allowed to read, my lord. With due reference to the subject treated above, I have the honor to inform you that late Jyotindra Mohan Shuklabuddha, expired secretary, Hasanpur Gaon Panchayat under Karimganj Jilla Parishad, his pension proposal written back from Directorate of Pension Assam regarding service confirmation is wanting. The incumbent has expired in service for which no any service confirmation has done earlier. That is the completion of confirmation period, and the government has been declared the sanction of pension of provincial Panchayat employees after expiry of incumbent by notification. So and so dated 17/3/2011, my lord. The original family pension paper along with service book are submitted herewith for favor of your necessary action for proposal of pension as early as possible. Kindly see my lord notification dated 17/3/2011. Page, my lord, 62. So, my lord, service already confirmed, my lord. Page 62. My lord, this notification was issued pursuant to the division bench judgment, my lord. Division bench judgment 145/2009, my lord. Relevant portion is paragraph 2, my lord. In terms of the judgment referred above, the Governor of Assam is pleased to order that the benefit of the provision of the Assam Panchayat Employees Provincial Act 1999, including those for pension and other retirement dues applicable to the state government employees, would be applicable to the provincial Panchayat employees who are in service on or after 1/10/1991 on the basis of the length of their service reckoned from the date of their initial appointment in the service of Panchayat. So, my lord, here the petitioner has been appointed on, my lord, 2/3/1961, and he expired on, my lord, 16/9/1996. So, my lord, this notification is covered, my lord, with regard to the, my lord, petitioner's husband, my lord, service, my lord. And regarding the, my lord, other employees, my lord, another notification was issued, my lord. Kindly see page 66. This notification is also covered with the, my lord, service of the petitioner husband, my lord. My lord, notification issued on, my lord, 22 December 2014, my lord. In this notification, my lord, I am reading from middle, my lord. The provincial Panchayat employees who had retired from service on or after 1/10/1991, rendering service more than 10 years but less than 20 years of government service from the date of their initial appointment, in relaxation of Rule 31 of Assam Service Pension Rule 1969 by invoking the provision of Rule 235 of the said rule as per the government notification dated 17/3/2011 as a special case not to be treated as precedent. My lord, pursuant to this notification, they have, my lord, prepared a list, and in this list, my lord, 354 employees' name has been entered, but the name of the petitioner husband is not entered. Kindly see, all are similarly situated person, my lord. I have annexed the, my lord, one extracted copy of this list, my lord, page 67. Well, all are grade 3 employees. My lord, column 7, my lord, is the date of retirement, my lord. Column 7, all are 1994, 92, 93, 2000, all are almost.
When did your husband die?
My lord.
When did your husband?
Husband died on, my lord, 1996. And my lord, kindly see date of entry in the service, column 9.
Yes.
All are, my lord, almost after 1960, 60 onwards, my lord. So, my lord, and the qualifying service rendered, my lord, in the next column, my lord. Column 11. My lord, some of them had rendered 11 years, some of them had rendered, my lord, 14 years, 15 years, 16 years, my lord. Here the, my lord, MP notice said that petitioner has been rendered, my lord, less than 20 years. So
How many years your husband?
he has rendered, my lord, 27 years, my lord. So, my lord, what happened, my lord? Initially, the petitioner's husband was appointed as, my lord, fixed pay employee in 1961. In 1970, Panchat employees were paid scale of pay. And the authority calculated from the my lord 1975 when they, my lord, received the scale of pay. And in 1991, my lord, all the Panchat employees are provincialized by a common notification, my lord. So, my lord, after provincialization, he expired. So, my lord, when the case, my lord, died in harness.
So you also provincialized?
Yes, your lordship. When a question of my lord, died in harness arrest, my lord, 1 year service is required, my lord. Section 140 of the, my lord, pension rule, my lord.
Then
So-
what happened after this?
Petitioner has not been paid pension, my lord, till date, my lord. And in that case, my lord, kindly see similar order has been passed by the coordinate base, page 72. In a similarly situated person, my lord.
Page?
Page 72. Read petition number 48273 of 2017. Order start from, my lord, page 73. Order dated 11/7/2018. Here the, my lord, the petitioner therein, my lord, appointed as tax collector on 20/11/1980. Then his service was provincialized on, my lord, 1991, and he retired on, my lord, 2000.
Where's your provincialization order?
Provincialization order, my lord, is not mentioned in the pension paper. It is available. I have, my lord, kindly see page, my lord, 27. I have annexed a part of pension paper. My lord, serial number 2, date of appointment, 15/7/1969. Date of retirement due to date, 16/9/96. Continuous qualifying service, 15/7/1969 to 16/9/1996. My lord, provincial is made pursuant to the, my lord, notification, the common notification, my lord.
Where's the provincialization order?
Well, it is a common notification.
What the next?
That is the basis of your case, isn't it?
My lord. And in fact, my lord, kindly see service book, return of service book, my lord, page 71. Is very clear. Here, service book and all documents are available with the authorities, my lord. Cover. And already, my lord, in, my lord, WPC 7/8.
In this provincialization order,
my lord.
Where's your name, husband's name?
My lord, it's a common order, my lord. My name is not shown in this notification, my lord. But petitioner service was, my lord, provincialized, my lord.
Now, how do you know your husband's service was provincialized?
Notice may be issued. My lord.
You have got a copy of this?
I have stated, my lord.
You've got a copy of this notification?
Yes, yes.
Then you should be having the other names. Why have you not annexed those?
Well, thereafter pursuant to this notification, individual order was issued, but I have not available with them. My lord, all the records are available with the authorities, my lord.
I don't know.
Notice may be issued, my lord.
Notice just cannot be issued like this. You have to prove your case. You have all the documents which stands in your favor. You have not annexed any documents. Then how can we issue notice?
Well, maybe taken up on another day. I have stated in my petition, my lord. There are 2, my lord.
Maybe you have stated. You also have a copy of the notification. You have not annexed this also. Why?
My lord, my lord, petitioner husband expired 1996. Some of the documents are misplaced, my lord. So, and in the pension papers, my lord, they have not said that, my lord, I have not provincialized, my lord. Only question
In
raised,
that-
my lord,
in
that
the
my
sense that
service
you
was
have not been confirmed.
confirmed, my lord, by this notification, all service are confirmed, my lord.
That's what I'm saying.
62.
This page 71 is contrary to this notification, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't that? Page
My-
71 is
my-
contrary to this notification.
Well, I
Then-
may be allowed one time, my lord. I'll try to, my lord, produce, my lord.
Okay. I'll give you.
Or he can approach the authority by RTI, my lord.
Oh, you can file an RTI.
Yes.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
I'm Islam.
M. Islam, and counsel for the petitioner. Which the matter after?
My lord, 1 week, my lord.
After 1 week?
My lord.
After 1 week.
15.
Highly obliged. Your Lordship.
Please validate the petitioner. He was the officers of the Assam Gramin Vikas Bench. As he entered into service in 1984. In 2012, while he was in Damaji branch as grade 3 officer, and he was charged with the improper functioning in distributing the fishery loan to the beneficiaries. So he was put under suspension, and the departmental proceeding was drawn at my lord. After completion of departmental proceeding, he was given compulsory retirement. Challenging the compulsory retirement, the petition was filed before Lordship, which was also rejected. On April also, the order was appealed, my lord. Now, as he was given the compulsory retirement, he was entitled to all the benefit, including pensions and gratuity and all other benefits that he is entitled to. But the bank has not released it. He has filed the submitted lot of representation, which are annexed 6, my lord.
Page?
Page.
Page 47 to 58 representations. Forty-seven, annex 6 only.
1 minute.
Hello?
1 minute. 1 minute. Yes.
Even after submission of those representations, bank has not released any amount. Even the 1,48,400 rupees, it is his own deposit. That is also the deposit in the bank account. It was also not released by them, in spite of his request by them. So as the bank has not released, we have no other alternative but to approach your lordship.
You will issue notice.
My lord?
Issue notice. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But
But,
Mr. K. Sharma,
Sharma.
legal counsel. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice. Is there any standing counsel?
Name is shown in the bank, all this. Turning down till Assam coming because
Have you served notice? Have you served copy?
yes, my.
You've served copy.
Served copy. No, I have served the copy. The name is shown.
A Ganguly.
Name is shown in the all this.
Where's A Ganguly?
Some coming because then. Huh?
It's received by one Mr. A Ganguly. Ganguly.
No, no, I got a doctor also there. Doctor.
Notice was received by Mr. A Ganguly, standing counsel.
But it has not appeared. Will service, will furnish copy myself.
No, you will take out after some time, you catch hold of the standing counsel.
That's taken after sometimes I'll inform doctor.
That's what I'm saying.
My lord. I'll inquire.
Please, Your Lordship. The petitioner is working as a casual employee in various panchayat department in Morrigaon district, Lordship. Since 2005, thereafter, Lordship, in the year 2019, the government have taken a decision to the against the petitioners who have worked joining prior 19/2005. Lordship, monthly remuneration will be grant 15,900. Lordship, now in spite of joining prior 2005, Lordship, the respondent authority have not granted the benefit to the petitioner.
Notice may be issued, my lord, at this.
Oh, you can take instructions and come back.
There are similar 4 or 5 matters, my lord.
Yes, Lordship.
Issue and thought that may be given back.
Okay, heard, Mr.
PJ Dr.
PJ Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner issue notice. Mr. S. Dr. Learned Standing Counsel. PNRD.
My lord.
Appears for respondents.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 4.
6,
8.
8,
10.
It's wrongly written as 4. 10. My lord, 6 and 8, my lord, there is no post in the department such, my lord.
No.
Respondent number 6 and 8, there is no post, my lord.
Director.
Director not there, my lord.
And Undersecretary
And
Finance.
additional chief secretary is also not there.
No, that has been deleted.
Lordship.
Have you deleted it
In my
his
copy, it's not.
I have deleted respondent number 8, Lordship.
At least you can delete it in his copy.
In fact, his
We'll
copy
find the correct
also
copy,
not
Lordship.
deleted.
Lordship will give the correct copy, Lordship.
Oh.
Okay, appears for, what did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. CO, no.
Yes, I can appear, my lord. In my copy, instead of 10, it's written as 4.
It's 9.
And yes, now 9. Yes.
You should at least give corrected copy
Sorry.
to the respondents.
Sorry.
What is this?
8 and 9. It will delete it.
Respondent number 9.
Delete it.
Stop.
7.
Mr. A. Chalia, the Understanding Council Finance. Appears for respondents.
7 and 8 lordship.
7 and 8. So notice on respondents account. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavits. Please take the forms.
17.
Yeah, my lord, this is, here's the appointment of respondent number 5, my lord, here is.
It's a Gayabora of Gaon Pradhan, my lord, nowadays it's called, my lord, of Nijo Pakwa Part 1 Gaon, my lord. So the appointment has been, order has been issued recently, my lord, but there is a provision for appeal also, my lord. Now it has been notified that it will lie before the Director of Land Record and Survey. But the notification provides that the 60 days period will be counted from the date of receipt of a copy of the appointment order of the who has appointed, my lord. But they have to furnish me, my lord. Without furnishing that, I am unable to file the appeal, my lord. So in the similar situation, my lord, I filed a writ petition also, my lord. Then this honorable court directed the respondent to serve me with a copy of the appointment letter to facilitate me to file an appeal before the appellate authority, my lord. That order, my lordship may kindly have the same. Maybe they may be furnish me the copy of the appointment order of the respondent number 5, and I can then file the appeal, because otherwise limitation period will the lordship may kindly see and the coordinate bench order, my lord. If your lordship kindly see, I appeared in that case, my lord. And Mr. Dhar also appeared for the respondent, my lord. There is 2 order, my lord. One is 24/11/21. Lordship will see Mr. Submit that. He will produce a copy of the order of one. Because they are factual on controversies involved, therefore, my lord, they have to go for an appeal, otherwise under the instruction, my lord. Then on the next order, they provided me, I would do it with the liberty to approach.
Who is supposed to provide a copy?
My lord, the DC has made the appointment, Mr. What can provide me, my lord, a copy of the order?
My lord, my lord will dispose of this matter, directing the DC to give him a copy, my lord. He will approach and DC will give, my lord.
That can also be done, yes, my lord, within, because the limitation will count after that date. Once I receive the copy, 60 days period limitation is granted from that may be mentioned, my lord. Otherwise, the appellate authority may say your appeal is barred by limitation. Because 162C.
That is the rule, my lord.
Yes.
So once he receives it, from the date only, my lord, it will be counted, my lord.
But Mr. T.J. Ghosh,
yes,
then the counsel for the petition. Also at Mr. S. Datta, then standing counsel revenue for the respondents. One for respondent number 1. You are appealing for?
My lord, 2, 3 and 4.
Mr. Ardar, then additional senior government advocate for the respondents 2, 3 and 4. So, with the notice, the advertisement.
My lord, notice, lordship will find it page 17.
Pursuant to a notice dated 26/5/2022, by which invitations were, by which applications were invited for appointment of 101 vacant post of Gaon Pradhan under Nalbari Revenue Circle. The petitioner, he applied for which post?
My lord, the Gaon Pradhan is Pakwa Part 1.
Applied for the post of
Gaon Pradhan nowadays it's called.
Gaon Pradhan
Of Nis Pakwa Part 1.
Of Niche Pakwa part number 1.
1.
Stop. The petitioner drafter appeared for the interview, isn't it?
Yes, my page 31, lordship may kindly see.
Appeared for the interview.
31, my lord. On 19/1/2023, I appeared.
On 19/1/2022. Stop. However, where's the results?
Well, results that is not I have received, my lord, because I came to know I made it that respondent number
However,
5 has been appointed.
The petitioner was not selected.
Yes, my.
And in his place, and not in his place, and one
Kumud Datta, my lord. That my lord is find it place 4.
Shri Kumud Datta
Yes, my.
was appointed as
Gaon
Gaon
Pradhan.
Pradhan of Niche Pakwa.
Yes.
Part
1.
Part number 1. So, being agreed, comma, petitioner is before this court. So, para. Learned counsel for the petitioner. clearly submits that under, where is that notification?
So please doing due to notification of
160.
So please do now.
1 to 2020.
1, 2.
But in terms of notification dated 1/2/2024, the petitioner has to file an appeal
162C, my lord.
before the Director of Land Records and Surveys, Assam, within a period of 60 days from the date of receipt of the copy of the
Order of appointment.
order of appointment under Executive Instructions 162 C of the Executive Instructions of the Assam Land Revenue Regulations, 1886, within bracket amendment 2024. Stop. He however submits that as the petitioner has not been furnished a copy of the appointment order of the respondent number, of the private respondent number 5, I Kumut Ali, Kumut Dalla, as Gaunt Prathat of Nich Pakua, part number 1. The petitioner is unable to file an appeal under Executive Instructions 160 this. He also submits that the period of limitation of 60 days would count from the date the petitioner receives a copy of the appointment order of the respondent number 5. Stop. Para. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petition, comma, this writ petition is disposed of. Directing the deputy commissioner, is that district commissioner?
District Commissioner.
Directing the district
Nalbari,
commissioner,
Lord.
Nalbari, oblique respond number 2, to furnish a copy of the appointment order of the private respond number 5 to the petitioner within a period of 2 weeks. Within a period of 2 weeks from the date of receipt of a copy of the order of this court. Stop. Petitioner is also permitted to furnish a certified true copy of the order of this court to the District Commissioner Nalbari. Stop. Thereafter, comma, on receipt of the appointment order of the private respondent number 6, the petitioner may take recourse to may take recourse to may take steps as provided by law. Yes, with the above observations and directions, the petition is disposed of.
Diploma, Lord.
Yes.
Matter is not payment of pending area salary, Lordship.
Pending area salary.
Yes, Lordship, from 1/4/2010 to 30/11/2018.
From?
From 1/4/2010 to 30/11/2018, Lordship, and amount of rupees 4,500, Lordship, as per official order dated 25/1/2012, and annexer A, page 19, Lordship. And from 1/19, Lordship.
Yeah, what is it?
This is the official order for payment of 4,500, Lordship. Okay, similar matter may be disclosed by the Sonality Code, Lordship.
Yes, what do you say, Doctor?
My lord, that order I don't have question, my lord.
You have another copy? I think this is an innocuous order.
My lord.
Yes.
That can be done, my.
How many orders are here? This is one order,
Yes, Lordship.
25 January 2020 2012, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
And another order is there, isn't it?
14/12/2021, Lordship. Annexa E, Lordship, is 35 to 40, Lordship.
Page
35 to 40, Lordship.
35 to 40. You are serving as
Tax collector, Lordship.
casual
Casual.
in the office of
Sunai Sapuri Gaon Panchayat, Lordship. Under Lakhimpur Jilla Panchayat.
and you're asking for monthly salary.
Pending area salary, Lordship.
Monthly salary you're getting.
Yes, Lordship. From 22 February, Lordship.
Pending area salary from
From 1/4/2010 to 30/11/2018, Lordship.
1/4/2010 to
30/11/2018. And from 1/12/2018 to 28/2/2022, Lordship.
Hmm?
And from 1/12/2018 to 1/12/2018 to 28/2/2022, Lordship.
28
28/2/2022.
22.
Yes, Lordship.
So you're asking from 1/4/2010
Yes.
to 28 to 2022, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
One
Actually,
stage.
actually, Lordship, 1/4/2010 to 30/11/2018, an amount of 4,500, Lordship, as per official order dated 25/1/2012, Annexer A, page 19. And from 1/12/2018 to 28/2/2022, as per official order dated 14/12/2021, Lordship, Annexer E, Lordship.
15,900.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, heard Mr.
DG Gogoi.
DG Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard PNRD, Mr. S. Dr. Learned Standing Counsel PNRD. Correspondence 1,
1, 4, 5,
4,
6,
5, 6,
7, 9,
9,
10.
9 and 10. Mr. H. Alia, Learned Standing Counsel Finance, Affairs Correspondence 2, 3, 2, 3 and 8. Stop. Para. The petitioner is working as tax collector within bracket casual worker in the office of the Sonari Chapari Gaon Panchayat under Lakhimpur Zilla Parishad. Stop. Para. The Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, by a communication dated 25th January 2012, addressed to the Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Assam, conveyed the approval of the government towards payment of fix monthly wages to 1812 numbers of casual workers engaged in different Jilla Parishads, Anchalik Panchayats, and Gaon Panchayats prior to 1/4/1993 at the rate of rupees 4,500. No. Say prior to 1/4/1993 and after 1/4/1993 up to 31/3/2006 at the rate of rupees 4,500. Stop. Sapara. By another order, office order, dated 14 December 2012, issued by the additional secretary. Is it additional? No, principal secretary to the government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development Department. Fixed pay workers who were engaged prior to, who were engaged pre AFRBM period were allowed to draw fixed wages oblique remuneration of rupees 15,900 with dearness allowance within bracket DA, which will undergo revision whenever pay scale changes based on enhancement of DA and recommendation of pay commission along with medical allowance of rupees 600 per month. Stop. Where does your name appear?
15.
Page?
Page 35.
Serial number 15, Lordship.
Page?
35 itself, my lord.
Oh, page 35. Serial number?
15.
The name of the petitioner appears at serial number 15, correct?
Yes.
In the said order dated 14 December 2021. Stop. Para. The grievance of the petitioner before this court is that he has not been paid his error salary, correct?
Yes, Lord.
Of from 1/4/2010 to 30/11/2018 at the rate of rupees 4,500, correct?
Yes.
And error salary for the period from 1/12/2018 to 28/2/2022 at the rate of rupees 15,900. Stop. Have you made any representation?
Yes, Lordship.
The petitioner.
Page 46 and
Therefore, made a representation before the page
page 46 to 51, Lordship.
46 to
51 and 49, Lordship.
made a representation. The petitioner therefore made a representation dated 3/1/2024, praying for release of. No, this is pending monthly salary, isn't it?
Yes, Lord.
Praying for
Yes.
release of pending monthly salary and error salary before the Chief Executive Officer Lakhimpur. Stop. By another representation. Dated 3/1/2024. The petitioner also addressed to the Commissioner of Panchayat and Rural Development Department, Guwahati, for release of pending monthly salary and pending error salaries. Stop. The said representations are yet to be considered. Till date. Stop. Are yet to be considered by the who's the Commissioner and Secretary?
That earlier is the chief executive officer, my lord. No, but I think the relevant person is the page 49, my lord, the commissioner, my lord.
Respond number 4.
6.
Yes,
Not
6.
not to the Commissioner and Secretary, to the Commissioner of Panchayat. The petitioner will also made another representation. 831 addressed to the Commissioner of Panchayat and Rural. Okay. The said representation is yet to be considered, representation dated 33/1/2024 is yet to be considered by the respondent number 6. Oblique Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, Assam. Till date. Stop. But accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of. Directing the respond number 6 to verify the entire service records of the petitioner. And thereafter dispose of the representation dated 3/1/2024 within a period of
My lord, the general election is there, my lord.
3 months
My lord.
from the date of receipt of a copy of the order of this. With the above observations and directions, this writ petition is disposed of.
Lordship,
Item 19 and 20 also same, my lord.
Lordship. Lordship, year is 2021, Lordship, 14 December 2021.
What?
Item 19 and 20 also
No,
same.
no. 14 December what?
Actually, order was written as 14 December 2012, Lordship. Actually, 2021.
Oh, 14 December 2021.
And 19 and 20 are same, Lordship.
But then same date
Same date.
Everything same, only serial number, my lord.
and the representation,
Same date.
one with item
Item 19,
19,
page number 36.
19, you say 1 minute. Same respondents,
Yes, Lord.
Same.
19, you say petitioner is working as peon, come Chogida, wooden bracket casual worker in the office of Singra Town Panchayat under Lakhimpur Zilla Parishad. Huh? Then all the others are same.
Same.
Respondents are same.
Same.
Area salary.
Serial number 32.
Uh-huh.
In earlier
In
serial
the-
number was
in-
15.
In the set order, huh? The name of the petitioner appears as serial number
32.
32.
32.
Yes.
Where's that?
Page 36.
36, Lord.
6. Okay. Then item number,
Item number 20.
item number 20 also, same date.
Same, Lord.
Everything same, my lord.
Serial number
Okay.
34.
One
Serial number
minute.
34.
Petitioner is working as tax collector within bracket casual worker in the office of Gulbari Gaon Panchayat
My lord.
under Lakhimpur Zilla Parishad. Hmm. Then same thing, serial number
34.
34.
34.
Page
Yes.
36.
Is 36.
Obliged.
After 5 minutes.
My lord.
May it please your lordship.
My lord, in this case, petitioner was selected and appointed as rifleman in June 1991. After that, my lord, he was sent for military basic training. And during training, my lord, he got some injury on his ear, my lord. Then he was referred to a hospital, my lord, Assam Rifle Hospital. Then, my lord, he was referred to, my lord, Air Force Hospital, Jorhat. Then his treatment was going on, my lord, 15 days, my lord. Then, my lord, suddenly he was discharged from service, my lord, without any warning, without any show cause, without any hearing, my lord. Now, my lord, at this stage, my lord, as I am disabled during training, my lord, I am praying for invalid pension, which I am entitled as per law, my lord. So I am praying for a notice.
My lord, the Lordship will kindly look, come to page 42, my lord. Page 42, annexure 13. That was our reply to his legal notice, my lord. The person was discharged on, my lord, 31st of August 1991. Now, my lord, he has come before this honorable court after 32 years. Long, huge delay is there, my lord. Person may kindly come to para 2 of this reply. He was not willing to undergo training, my lord. So, my lord, it cannot be helped, my lord. If you don't undertake training, my lord, you will not be entitled to anything. And my lord, so far as her statement is concerned, his statement that he was referred to hospital, I didn't find any document here to suggest that yes, my lord, he was sent for treatment.
You discharged in 1991.
Yes, my lord.
Why are you coming now?
My lord, I have my lord filed representation various, my lord.
Where the
Then my
representation?
kindly see, my lord, all my representation, my lord. All, my lord, kindly see page annexure 2, page 24. Then, my lord, annexure 3, page 26.
Okay, let us come to your legal notice.
Yes,
Legal notice, it was replied on 15 December 2022.
yes, my lord.
Still then there's a delay after this.
My lord, thereafter also, my lord, I have filed, my lord, one representation, annexure 14, my lord. Page 43, my lord. Illegally, my lord, kindly see, I was appointed in June, my lord. After July,
Okay, we'll see what happens.
within 1
At
month, my lord, they
MS
have. Yes, sir.
Learner Council for the issue notice. Mr. A. Adhikari,
MR Adhikari.
MR
Yes, ma'am.
Adhikari. Learned
CJC, madam.
CGC. Appears on behalf of all the respondents. Notice and respondents are complete, however, extra copies is. This respondents are the design after it, list of the forwards.
File
15.
Did you get the standing?
We have informed them that book. Yes, come and put 15.
I'm
not the respondent.
You're the standing counsel.
No, no, I'm on behalf of Tennigan. I'm A. Dhanuka.
Okay. But Mr. K. Shamal in the council for the commission. Issue notice. Mr.
A. Dhanuka.
A. Dhanukar, learned council,
Appearing on behalf of
appearing on behalf of Mr.
A. Ganguly.
A. Ganguly, learned standing council, Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, appears on behalf of all
the
respondents. Notice and respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are the file affidavit.
Extra copies maybe.
Extra copy.
Yeah, extra copy you furnish.
22, implement of party.
Next step, my lord.
Next it,
2 weeks. 5 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
In this case, I want to impede the Honorable Guwahati High Court as respondent number 12, my lord. The matter relates to appointment of notaries, my lord. We have impeded strict session just as respondent number 4, but inadvertently we could not impede Guwahati High Court, my lord.
Have you served copy?
Yeah, it's copies.
On the standing council high court?
Yes.
Oh, you are appearing on.
Yeah.
We implement the Guwahati High Court. Third, Mr.
VK Barua.
VK Barwa, learned counsel for the applicant in the IA. Huh? By this application, the applicant is praying for implementing the Guwahati High Court, represented by the Registrar General, Guwahati High Court, Guwahati 781001. As party responder number
12.
12 in WBC number 1423 of 2024. Stop. Anybody appealing for the others?
appearing for respondent number 3 and 4.
2, 3, and 4. Mr.
R. Talukdar,
R. Talukdar, Leonard. Counsel.
Junior Government.
Leonard Junior Government Advocate appears for appearing for the respondents 2, 3, and 4, and MS
S. Sharma.
S. Sharma, Leonard Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court. Has no objections. Stop. This court has also produced the cost shown in the present application and is satisfied. Accordingly, plea for implementation is allowed. IS disposed. And in WBC number so and so, in the main petition, in view of the order passed today in IA number so and so, let Guwahati High Court so and so be implemented as party respondent number 12. Of MS S. Sharma, and Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court, and this appearance on behalf of the respondent number 12. As such, no formal steps are required. You want to file affidavit?
My lord, notice is not yet to be, my lord.
Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Notice is not.
Lord,
Notice not issued.
my lord, the motion made it fixed for motion, my lord.
It come up.
Okay.
Then we on Friday.
We respond number 12, huh? We can issue notice today itself.
My lord, there is an interim prayer, my lord.
What interim?
My lord, actually the matter relates to appointment of notaries, my lord. My lord, when I was not selected, my lord, there was a violation of rule 6 and 7, my lord. My lord, lordship may peruse, my lord, the writ petition, my lord. My lord, there are 28 advocates who are called for my lord.
Page,
my lord, 6, my lord, 22. In the writ petition, my lord. Page 22, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, there are 28 advocates who are called for, my lord.
28?
28 advocates called for, were sent, names were sent, my lord.
Page 22.
Yes, my lord, 22, annexure 6. And annexure 7, my lord.
Okay.
Altogether 28, my lord, but only 6, by page 27, my lord, only please 6 of the advocates' names are sent for interview, my lord. My lord, I have annexed the notary's rules, my lord, page 28, my lord. My lord, whenever, my lord, I have to be informed, my lord. 6 and, my lord, according to rule 6, to paragraph 29, my lord. Page 29, notary's rules, my lord, in a repetition, my lord. I was not informed, my lord, whether what was my disqualification, my lord.
You were not informed.
No.
What is the stage now?
I'll obtain instructions, well. Notice.
My lord,
How long do you want?
But 2 weeks.
my lord, can it be on my Friday, my lord? My senior will submit, my lord, regarding this. My lord, there is some urgency, my lord. It may be adjourned, my lord.
Okay, then you say in view of the order passed today and so and so. Huh?
The matter may be listed on
So
Friday,
be
my.
implemented as party respondent. Para MSS Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Guwahati High Court. Praised for a short time to receive instructions.
Can it be on Friday, my lord?
List on 5th.
Extra copy.
5th. You
Extra
furnish extra copy.
Today,
Petitioner is also directed to file an amended cost title within a period of
By tomorrow, my lord.
within a period of 2 days from today.
instructions on Friday. my lord.
Today I. Extra copy shall file. Hello, list.
23, admission. Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, let me mentor with fast forward for time being, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, my senior is on out of station, lordship. He is way back to the school. My senior is out of station. He is coming back for this matter.
You have to get it passed over for the day.
Fast forward for time being, lordship. Next is at 2, lordship, please. Oblate, lord.
May I please lordship? Lordship, my senior is in late another court. So item number 23, 24 and 25 password is
Who's your senior?
Rita Devi.
What do you want?
Password 2 o'clock.
Oblate, lord.
Lordship, this is a fourth round of litigation, Lordship, and matter relates to re-engagement of the petitioner, Lordship, and she has relied upon a circular of the government of Assam, Lordship, and reply is necessary in this particular matter. On the last 2 occasions, respondents have prayed for time, Lordship, but reply has not yet.
We have taken up the matter with the respondents, lordship, and they have, although they have furnished the instruction, that instruction is not adequate for filing the affidavit. Lordship, we are taking some more time, lord.
Okay, Mr.
G.J. Sharma, Lord.
G.J. Sharma, Learned Council for the petition. So, Mr.
R. Talukdar, lordship.
R. Talukdar,
Junior Government.
Junior Governor Advocate, submits. That these instructions have been received. However, the same are not adequate for filing counter affidavit. And therefore, place for another 3 weeks time
3 weeks, lord.
to receive further instructions, file affidavit. Praise the Lord. It's up to 2 weeks.
Obliged, lord.
29.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, petitioner was working as a assistant engineer under respondent number 7, lordship. And after resignation, his monetary benefit was not withheld by the respondent authority. And various repention was filed by the petitioner, but it was not confirmed by the respondent. And respondent yet to file their affidavit, lordship.
Lordship, that affidavit is sent for vetting, lordship. We need 2 weeks time to file the same.
Okay. Mr. B. Bora. Mr. B. Bora, Learned Council. Mr. R. Talukdar, Junior Government Advocate. Praise for
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to
file the counter.
Least up to 2 weeks.
I'll do
Obliged.
31.
Lordship, may it pleases. The petitioner retired from service way back in 2015. Lordship, as Assistant Director, Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, my lord. What happened, your lordship, by the order dated 24/8/2015, lordship, at Annexure C, page 29, your lordship may kindly have a look. The petition is promoted, my lord. In continuation, the government notification, it is 17/11/2009. Profulla Kumar Das, the then Inspector of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Bojali, and now Assistant Director of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs. hereby granted promotion with retrospective effect to the post of Superintendent Food Civil Supplies to Consumer Affairs, and he was granted certain allowances. Lordship, but as on date, he has not received, Lordship, the Lordship, the benefit of superintendent, although he was promoted with retrospective effect from 7 to 2009. What happened, Your Lordship, in the case of the petitioner? It was delay in joining the promotional post because while he was working as inspector, the earlier office they did not release him. As such, just delay 79 days, my lord. And for that reason, maybe they have not given financial concurrence to the post held by the petitioner to the post of superintendent, my lord. And as on date, even after retirement, he's getting the pension of the inspector, not as a scale of the lordship superintendent, my lord. Lordship, or affidavit will be required from them, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship will find the, you have to see the extra support.
Lordship, the matter of 2023.
Extra copy, Lordship will take up the issue. Lordship will fix the date, the meantime, we will find it.
How much time do you require?
So the date is 4 weeks.
30 MS B Goyan, then a senior counsel. Assisted by MS.
RS Devi.
RS Dury, learned counsel for the petition. Mr. R. Talukdar, learned junior government advocate. Place
Okay,
for
for comment number 1, 2, 4, and 6.
appearing for respondents,
1,
1, 2, 4, and 6. Place for 4 weeks time
Not,
to file counter affidavit.
not first, not 5.
Prayers allowed.
Lordship, finance, the party should represent the finance department because concurrence has to be given with the finance department.
Government find the document required with the finance.
Okay, Mr. SK, prayers allowed, list after 4 weeks. Mr. SK Mehdi, Leonard, standing counsel, accountant general, appears for respond number 5.
Obliged.
32.
None appears for the petitioner. Mr. R. Talukdar, the junior government advocate, appears for the respondents.
Lordship.
List after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
33. May I please, Your Lordship, the second order of litigation, Lordship. A petitioner pay for payment of area salary, Lordship, which effect from 1/8/2017 to 28/2020, Lordship. The earlier litigation, Lordship, kindly turn to page 45, Lordship.
Yes.
In this case, in page 48, Lordship. Here is the second paragraph, the area pay with effect from so and so has been sent for finance department for budget proposal, Lordship. But
where is that?
Page 48, Lordship. Below para 4, Lordship. The statement of the PWD and finance department, as per 2 and 3. The area pay of Miss Anika Thadanita could not be released by department due to some anomaly head of account under which necessary fund was allotted in the budget by the finance department. Necessary budget allowance were made by the finance department under detail head so and so. Expense of payment area pay is incurred under detail head so and so. Therefore, concerned Treasury Haflong could not release the area pay in respect of so and Anima Housing and address with effect from 1/8/2017, 30, 11/18 during financial year 2019-20 lawsuit. The executive engineer
PWA Haflong has been asked by this department letter number 700 to prepare and submit as the proposed release of area salary as mentioned above for placing the same before the assembly during forthcoming winter session to be held in the month of September 2022. If the said SD proposal gets passed by the assembly, then this department able to pay area salary. Then next page number 48 lordship. Para 6 lordship.
Yes.
Okay, I'm preparing on behalf of Lima. Okay, we have already sent the proposal. That's page number 50, lordship. Annexure 8.
Yes. To whom did you send?
Okay, Under Secretary, Government of Assam, PWRD.
PWRT, who appears?
Mr. Thori is also there. Mr. Thori is also there. Mr. G. Gogoi is also there.
Where are they?
But we will just inform. Let it be taken up after some time.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, petitioner before your lordship has served under the state of Assam for a continuous period of 29 years, 7 months, and thereafter lordship, one FIR was lodged against him. And as such, he was after he was arrested, and after getting the bail from the honorable court.
Yeah, you are supposed to file your affidavit.
Lordship, affidavit, our affidavit is ready, lordship. We could not file the affidavit as because petitioner counsel was unavailable. He was not available the day it was supposed to be
available
served.
in the court.
Lordship, today itself we are serving them.
So you are filing today?
Lordship, Lordship.
Third, Mr.
S.N. Krishna Trail.
S.N. Krishna Trail, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. R. Talukdar, Learned Junior Government Advocate, submits that they'll be filing counter affidavit within the course of the day. Great. So, please come matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship, a date may be fixed, lordship, and in the meantime, if required, I will file my
After matter again on 24th April.
Lordship.
And if required, I will file my.
That is up to you.
Public.
35.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, matter pertaining to the appointment of the petitioners, notice was issued, Lordship, and 2 opportunities were given to the respondent to file the affidavit. No affidavit has been filed till date, Lord.
Yes, who appears?
Lordship, I am preparing for PNRD department, Lordship. Respondent number 1, Lordship.
PNRD department. Who's supposed to file affidavit?
Lordship, but we have not received any instruction, Lordship. Kindly sometimes may be given to file our affidavit, Lordship.
And who's respondent to entry?
Lordship. Lordship, we have already sent our communication, Lordship. We are yet to receive the answer.
Third, Mr.
PJ Das.
PJ Das, Learned Counsel for the petition. MS
J. Bora, Lordship.
J. Bora,
On behalf of respondent number 1, your Lordship.
you're the standing counsel.
No, Lordship. On behalf of S. Dutta, your Lordship.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Datta, Learned Standing Counsel, PNRD,
PNRD, Lordship.
and Mr. R. Talukdar, Learned Junior Government Advocate, appearing for respondents 2 and 3. Jointly praised for how much time?
Lordship, 2 weeks time may be given, Lordship.
Lordship, let it be after.
Praise for
Lordship.
3 weeks time to file the respective contract.
So date may be fixed after the petition also. 26, there is another day, case was fixed, Lordship, on 26 is possible.
Yes, on 26th April.
Biplab, right?
Bless you, Lord.
36.
May please, Your Lordship. It is, if it is necessary to file lawsuit. I pray for my GPF lawsuit, payment of GPF. And I have dismissed from service lawsuit due to unauthorized absent.
Yes, who appears? Yeah, how much time?
Lordship, let it be after 4 weeks, Lordship.
Mr.
KD Sharma.
But Mr. A.D. Sharma, learn the counsel for the petition.
KD Sharma.
KD Sharma, KD Sharma. Stop. Mr. R. Talukta, learn the Guinea government. Place for 4 weeks time to file contract. Praise the Lord.
Obliged.
37.
My please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in the last occasion, the respondent were asked to get an instruction, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, the respondent is seeking 4 weeks, Lordship. They are collecting the materials so as to furnish the instruction in order to enable us to file the affidavit. Lordship, let it be after 4 weeks, Lord.
Okay, so do you is it part MS?
L. Wangsa, on behalf of Mr. T. Diori.
On behalf of
Mr. T. Diori.
part Mr. MS?
L. Wangsa.
L. Wangsa.
Yes.
Learned counsel applying on behalf of Mr. T. Deary, learned counsel for the petition. Stop. Mr. R. Talukta, learned junior government advocate, praise for.
Respondent number 120.
Praise for appealing for respondent 1, 2, and 3, praise for 4 weeks.
4 weeks time.
To file affidavit. Praise the Lord. List of the 4 weeks.
Obliged, Lord.
38.
May it please, my lord. Matter pertains to not holding of my department promotion committee, my lord, because of which my subordinates have been promoted over the years, but I have been left behind, my lord. Notice was issued by this honorable court on the last date, my lord.
Yes. Yes, Talukta.
Lordship, perhaps we have misplaced the file, Lordship. May I ask for a copy from my learned friend? So as to-
Do you have a script?
My lord, during the course of the day, I can give. I only have 1 copy right now.
Part Mr.
PR Sharma.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. R. Talukta, learned junior government advocate, praise for how much time?
My lord, date may kindly be, if it pleases the honorable court, only.
Lordship, let it be 4 weeks, Lord.
Date after 4 weeks
Praise
also,
for
date
4
may be
weeks
fixed.
time to file
One
contract.
date may be fixed, my lord.
Praise the Lord. List on 6th May.
Highly obliged, my lord. Obliged. और अपना नंबर दे दो मत दिया
47 of supplementary list, admission.
May I please tell you? My lord, I appeared for semester examination in December 2022.
1 minute.
This is B Pharma.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Lordship, here I have been, Mr. B. Gogoi, he's on legs, but I have been informed, my lords, he's awaiting instructions. Lordship, if the matter can be fixed immediately after Bihu, my lords, any date. As well, because my learned friend is insisting on 1 week.
My lord, till then, my lord, the result of this 4 semester examination,
Lordship,
my lord, that may not be in effect, my lord, in
No,
my case,
Lord-
my lord.
Not Lordship for one person, Lordship may have it immediately after the exam, Lordship. Immediately after the Bihu exam, we'll.
Then, my lord, before Bihu, my lord, any date.
No, Bihu, there's 1 week left.
For you, there's no time. Immediately on the opening day.
Yes, Lordship, on the opening date only, my lord.
But Mr.
H.R. Chaudhary.
Yes, our Chaudhary learned counsel for the petition. On request made by Chalial and the standing council finance department.
No, for the, for respondent number one, Lordship. Hemanta Shankar.
Health department.
Yeah,
You also health.
Yes, Lordship, I appear for the.
Health department appearing for the respondent number one. This is the matter on 22nd April.
Lordship, I'll.
And matter private also and appeared matter. It found to be appeared. Private respondent. So appeared matter. In cause this it is shown.
No, no, but he.
Obliged.
May I seek your lordship and indulgence? Lordship, regarding item number 38, though our name is shown, though in the cause list is reflected as GSM, actually they have their separate standing council, lordship. Handloom and textile. And normally Mr. Ardhar appears.
My
For
lord,
the
on the last
department.
occasion, I had served copies to my senior from the opposite side.
Also direct
order.
To reflect the
name of the standing council, handloom,
handloom and textile.
handloom and textiles
And handloom and textile department.
department in the costs.
Otherwise, lordship may take it up.
matter.
I'll inform him, lord.
39 and 40 of daily list order.
Public.
Oblige, my lord.
May it please your lordships. My lord, item number 39 lordships, it is a contempt petition. And item number 40, read petition lordships. Lordships, I have to submit the reply lordships. Lordships, matter may please be taken up after Bihu lordships. In the meantime,
Reply, you want to file reply in which, in the contempt or in the writ?
lordship, in contempt as well as read petition lordships. They have filed a
Very unfair, my lord.
objection.
We've been subject to a contempt proceedings, wherein we have already complied with the orders. We filed an affidavit in the writ petition also. And in the contempt petition, my lord, may kindly take up our affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit,
Affidavit in the contempt petition, my lord.
which affidavit?
In item number 39, it's a affidavit dated 25th of August 2020.
Yes.
Now, my lords, we've stated at para 5 of the affidavit at page 3, my lords. Most respectfully states that the respondents in WPC so have filed their affidavit in opposition, wherein a categorical stand has been taken that the writ petitioners number 1, contempt petitioner number 2 and so were engaged by the APDCL as outsourced worker for collection of bill as well as distribution of monthly bills. Further, there were no records available with the APDCL authorities regarding the engagement of writ petitioners number 5, 6 and 7 at any point of time. Further, writ petitions number 3 and 9 had on their own volition offered their services to the respondents with the sole objective of gaining experience which might aid them in recruitment processes carried out by the local authorities. The response states that along with the affidavit of opposition, payment vouchers depicting payments made to the writ petitioner so and so were also annexed. Now, thereafter, my lords, para 7 is important, my lords. The opponent further states the contempt petitioner number 1, by way of a letter dated 27th January 2021, addressed to the Assistant Executive Engineer, Gilamara Electrical Subdivision, APDCL, has categorically stated that the contempt case number so and so has been filed without his consent or knowledge. The deponent states that the said letter issued by the alleged contempt petitioner number 1 clearly lays bare the oblique motives of the contempt petitioners number 2 and 3, who have instituted the present contempt proceedings without the consent of the contempt petitioner number 1, my lord. That letter, my lords, the vernacular is at page 7, the translated copy is at page 6, my lord. With all due respect, I beg to state that it has come to my knowledge yesterday that on my behalf, a contempt case has been filed in the Guwahati High Court against MD sir, CGM sir, and SC so and so, madam. Through this, I beg to inform clearly that I am unaware about the said case. I am not involved in the case. But I can answer to this.
Lordship, because of these lordships, I have to file a reply lordships. I have to call the
How he
petitioner
obtained his
lordship.
signatures and what he has done, my
I
lord.
have to call the petitioner lordships. On phone, it was discussed that he has never issued such type of letter. And because of that lordship, I have called him in person.
Affidavit was filed way back in 2022.
Okay, let him file his call. Mr.
R. Sharma.
R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners. Praise for how much time? 2 weeks.
2 weeks, lordship.
Time to file reply in both the contempt as well as the writ petition. Stop. Praise a lot. Please up to 2 weeks.
May I pray for a date, my lord?
You want a date?
Any date convenient to my lord.
24th.
I know.
I'm deeply aware.
This one.
42.
It is a review petition. I have received the copy today itself. So I'll have filed my review counter report.
Okay, heard Mr.
AM Doctor.
AM Datta, learned counsel for the review petitioners. We are appealing for
For respondent. Sole respondent.
Mr. Mr.
Arthur.
Ardar, learned counsel, enters appearance on behalf of the sole respondents, sole respondent. And press for how much time you
Can it be on 23rd of?
press for 2 weeks time to file objection,
23rd.
to file counter, stop. There is a lot, list on 23rd.
On 23rd of April, Lord.
Better.
43.
So the concerned authority had to file a wakalatnama in this case.
You are appealing for?
PNRD, my lord.
Oh,
PNRD
this is a contempt.
content, my lord. I'll appear, my lord, JB, the principal secretary.
1 minute. How many contemnants are here?
Two contemners, principal secretary and commissioner.
So you are appealing for both?
My lord, as on date, we don't have the instructions and the wakalatnama is also not being provided, so. May give us a short period of time, 2 weeks' time. Concerned authorities will do the needful.
You have not been instructed.
Nothing, my lord. We have not received any instructions as of date. A copy of the previous order has been sent to the authorities, but we are yet to receive a response as to.
Then how are you appealing?
On last location to my other PNRD to my.
My lord, on the last date, PNRD standing council was summoned by this honorable court. That period of time, my lord, after getting that requisite information, I had appeared in the matter. So my name was reflected in the process. But as on date, my lord, no wakalatnama has been had.
But you have no instructions.
No, no. Not received any. We have intimated them about this particular petition. But
Let him obtain instruction.
Heard Mr. D.B. Bora, then counsel for the petition. Mr. P. Hendricks prays for 2 weeks time to file wakalatnama on behalf of the respondents. Praise a lot, list after 2 weeks.
Obligement.
44.
Gracias.
Lordship, in this matter, we have to send a reminder, Lordship. We have communicated with them. We are yet to receive an instruction.
No, my lord, this earlier the order 16/11/2023, MS but say government council appeared. I talked in court number 10 minutes. According to him, supposed to file an affidavit regarding the service.
Regarding the service,
Service
the
man.
private respondent.
Private respondent. He told me she already got they already received the notice of the court, my lord. And my lord, she's supposed to file an affidavit. It was specifically her name was there, my lord.
Okay, on her request, I'll adjourn this matter.
On 18, my lord.
Heard Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel for the petitioner. On request made on behalf of MSM Bhattacharya, learned additional senior governor. Assam. List the matter on, not on 18th, 24th.
24. Her name may be reflected in all this.
No, her name is there already.
Oh, yes.
Obliged, Lord.
45.
24.
45, Lordship, as per my instructions have been complied with, Lordship. I have a copy of the speaking order with me, my lords. And Lordship, here, family pension was supposed to, which has been approved by the government and sent to the accountant general, Lordship, as per my instructions. So maybe that's why They have not. Same has been forwarded to the Accountant General Beltola on 20th of February 2024, Lordship. I have a photocopy of that document. With the letter that has been forwarded to the Accountant General, Lordship.
Okay. We'll wait for some time.
Lordship,
None appears for the petition. Mr. Chalia, legal counsel appears for the respondent.
Sole respondent.
For the
Lordship.
sole res- Are you sure?
Yes.
No, the other respondents. Yes, so for the sole res- list after 2 weeks. You take it back.
Lordship, I'll take it. Item 42.
Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship.
respondents have complied, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship. As per instruction, Lordship, which I have placed, Lordship, we have approved, given our approval as well as we have forwarded the necessary documents to the Accountant General. Lordship.
Then the matter may be disposed of.
They have complied with the order.
Yes, we have, I have not been instructed anything by the petitioner till date.
If I can, if they can confirm, Lordship, on the next date. Lordship.
Yes, a date may be fixed, so I can confirm it.
Mr. Then you cancel the order. Mr. Chalia, the counsel appearing for the sole respondent supports that the respondent has complied with the directions passed by this court. Mr.
MR Sodial.
MR
Sodial.
Sodial, then the counsel for the petitioner pays for some time to enable him to receive instructions. When do you want
After vacation.
this? 24th.
Yes. Deeply obliged.
You take it
Yeah,
back.
I'll.
46.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the one private respondent number 7 has superannuity. By this, the last order I had prayed for deletion of
Which one?
respondent number 7 of WPC number 5383, your lordship. Private respondent number 7. I'm the petitioner.
Respondent number 7 has retired.
Yes, your lordship.
When?
Yeah, last year, September or October, but last year, he had after, before.
So what do you want in the IA?
Just
You have to strike off. I was
Strike off.
actually, I'm interested to appear. I'm maybe 6 and 8, 7 also I'm interested. He's striking off. Oh,
Okay, then you'll have to file a amended post title.
yes. Right. Now,
But Mr. A. Nazari. Then we counsel for the applicant. Stop. By this application, the applicant is praying for deletion of the name of Shri Mohindra, is it?
Yes, your lordship.
Patar, comma, Deputy Secretary, Assam. Deputy Secretary, Assam Public Service Commission,
Yes, your lordship.
it is not.
as party respondent number 7.
Yes, your lordship. In read petition.
Pator, PATA, Pator.
PATR, as party respondent number 7. In the cost title of WBC number 5383 of 2022. Stop. MS
P. Sharma, Lordship,
P.
for
Sharma.
respondent 4 and 5.
Learned Standing Counsel.
Not standing counsel on behalf of standing counsel.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of
Mr. T.J. Mahanta, standing.
T.J. Mahanda, Learned Standing Counsel, Assam Public Service Commission. As well as Mr. C. Barua, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents 6 and 8.
6, 8, and 47 also today. 6, 8 I appeared earlier. I'm instructed now.
6,
Your
7 and
Lordship,
8.
7 I am appearing.
There's no objections. Stop. This court has also perused the course shown in the present application and is satisfied. And accordingly, the prayer for deletion of the name of respondent number 7 is allowed. I is disposed in the main writ petition, right? In view of order passed today and so and so. Let the name of respondent number 7 be deleted as party respondent in the present writ petition. Stop. Petitioner is directed to file an amended cost title within a period of 1 week. Please, doctor, 2 weeks.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Finish. Oh. 8-2.
Lordship, let the matter be adjourned for today, Lordship. Please, Mr. Mojumdar, sir, is stuck on traffic.
On request made on behalf of Mr. R. Magunda,
Lordship, can it be fixed on Thursday?
not this week,
Lordship, kindly fix the date, Lord.
on 26.
Lordship. Oblige, Lord.
24.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, matter relates to regulation of works as employees, Lordship, in PHC department. On the last occasion, PHC department was directed to place on record,
You are
Lordship.
appearing for PhD?
Yes, Lordship. Whether
File your affidavit.
affidavit file, Lordship, but the instruction sought for was whether their names were forwarded for regulation or not, Lordship. And in the affidavit, there is no mention whether their names were forwarded for regulation or not. It simply rely on the division bench order on Upendra's case, Lordship.
Who is that communication forwarding the name of the?
Lordship, on the last occasion, Lordship has directed,
Have you taken instructions of that?
Lordship, our instructions are clear, Lordship. The
No,
yeah.
this court wanted to know one thing, whether you forwarded the names of the petition.
Lordship, that is something that happened long time ago, Lordship. That the office will not be able to tell because that cannot be a basis itself to claim regularization in the first place, Lordship. And that is why in our affidavit, we have pointed out certain parts of the Upendra's judgment, because in that judgment, the petitioners had the same argument that our names were not included pursuant to a policy to regularize. There, the court had observed that actually these policies do not have any legal binding effect, and there cannot be legitimate expectation for regularization. They cannot say that some have been regularized, we also need to be regularized. That argument has been completely rejected in the Uma Devi case and subsequently adopted in the Upendra's judgment itself, Lordship. We have pointed out those aspects in the affidavit, and that is the basis on which the impugned order was also passed by PHE department.
Lordship, in my case, Lordship, in what happened, they were appointed during the period 88-89, Lordship. And from 1990, they were sent to Lordship, Urban Water Sewage and Supply Department Board, Depot, Lordship. And there they were, Lordship, promoted to the post of Chokidar, etc. Lordship, regular pay was given, everything. And in 2011, as per the cabinet decision, they were repatriated to the Lordship parent department. After repatriation, Lordship, it was directed by the authorities that those who are repatriated to the PHC, they will be immediately regularized. The action will be taken to regularize their services. And accordingly, all the Lordship similarly situated employees who were along with the, who were, Lordship, sent to the board. Their services were regularized. Even last regularization was in 2019, Lordship, as per your Lordship's order. And now they are saying that only these two petitioners left out, Lordship. And
So why don't you file in the reply affidavit stating all those against the counter filed by the PH?
already, Lordship, 2021 matter, Lordship.
When did you file your affidavit?
Lordship, 2 weeks ago,
2 weeks ago.
Then you should have filed your.
Lordship's order in another case is at page, Lordship, 35. Thus, all the conditions are same, Lordship. They were also appointed as works as employee and sent to the Lordship board, thereafter repatriated and regularized in 2019. This is not a long-term, Lordship, since they are saying that very last long ago they were regularized. And these employees were already appointed, regularized. Only these two petitioners left out.
But that part has been addressed in the Upenda's judgment, Lordship, that all these policies do not have any binding legal effect, Lordship. On the basis of that, they cannot claim any benefit because regularization is not a usual route of employment, Lordship.
They
It
are
gives-
using their service for from 88, Lordship. And during board their service in the board, Lordship, they were regularized as peon and regular khalasi. And their repatriation was also with post. With post, Lordship. And therefore they were not the,
That part we have to study,
yes,
particularly page 36.
they are not the regular works as employees. They were entitled,
Second last paragraph.
yes. Yes, they have considered their case. And also appointed. Appointment order is also annexed, Lordship, at page 38.
Department can be asked to consider, Lordship, but judicially, Lordship, there is no right and the court cannot pass an order to regularize muster roll workers, Lordship. It
That
has,
we cannot pass,
Yes,
that I
yeah.
know, that we can't pass giving a direct order. For consideration, consider to it.
In terms of this,
here also it is just consideration.
in
It
terms
has
of this
no-
order, Lordship,
What is your statement in your affidavit?
Our statement is that long time back, Lordship, in Upenda judgment, the principle of parity is saying that others have been regularized, we need to be regularized. This argument cannot be tenable, Lordship, and completely rejected by the court, saying that even though state government has done that from time to time, that those are not legitimate policies and they cannot, the state cannot make a promise saying that others can also be regularized, and the petitioners also cannot claim legitimate expectations, saying that others have been regularized. So we also, these two line of argumentation was already discussed.
See, standing counsel, this affidavit is not exhaustive. Why don't you file a detailed affidavit?
Lordship, that is the reasoning of our order rejecting the regularization, which is already there in the petition.
Upenda's case is of 2017 order, Lordship, and he was entitled to, they were entitled to be regularized long before, and Lordship, in 1993, as per the policy decision of
Upenda's
1995. And in the Upenda's case, Lordship, it is specifically stated that as per the Umadevi's case, one-time consideration is required to maybe required considered, Lordship, as one-time measure. If they may be considered, Lordship, if they are entitled to, whether they have considered as these petitioners or not, Lordship. They cannot say this. They are not
There
even.
was a batch, okay. There was a batch of so those batches, they were all regular.
Yes. Only these two.
Leaving aside a few.
Regularized.
So the other
that
employees, they came to court, this court gave a direction, consider the case. Now the other same thing is happening to the petitioner. here.
Lordship.
Lordship, in Upenda's judgment, the division bench has taken note of certain single judge judgments where even the court has ordered regularization. However, court said that since the state did not appeal them, we will not disturb this, but this was not right. That has been clearly given in Upenda's, and also the court took note of policies formed by the government where regularization was promised. Even in those situations, the division bench has held that the state, even if it wants to, cannot make such promises. And that forms the core principle of Uma Devi case, Lordship. And as a one-time measure, certain muster roll workers across the country, if they were appointed against sanction posts, they were sought to be considered. But however, here it was recognized that in state of Assam, Lordship, most muster roll workers were not appointed against sanction posts.
Lordship, they have considered other petitioners' case in 2019, and now they are denying my case. Only 2 petitioners left, Lordship.
That is exactly what Upenda says, that others
and
have
why
been
they
granted this.
and
line
why
of-
they are left out, Lordship, they have no answer to this. Whether the finance department said that we have regularized numbers of candidates, Lordship, who exercise master roll, and we were not aware whether these 2 petitioners' name has been forwarded, and they were also not aware whether they have forwarded their names or not.
If Lordship
But
looks
they
at
are
Paris-
awaiting their service for last 30 years. They were entitled for regularization as per the policy decision of 1995 because their appointments were before 1993. They have not considered it, and therefore in 2011, their Lordship, the PHC authorities has directed to consider their regularization, immediately consider regularization of these repatriated employees, Lordship, exercise employees, and in that case also there.
If Lordship looks at paragraph 23 of Upenda's judgment, Lordship, just the last paragraph. Just the last paragraph is conclusive about what needs to be done. For these reasons, we are of the view that in fact situation of the muster roll workers, work chart workers, and casual workers are not entitled for regularization of their service with consequential benefits such as pension, etc. Only in paragraph 22, the preceding paragraph, the state government at that time said that certain benefits will be given, and based on that, this case was disposed, Lordship. Otherwise, regularization was not granted, Lordship.
Are you getting the minimum scale of pay?
Lordship. And in para 17 of the Upenda's case, Lordship, it is clearly discussed the one-time measure. What is the one-time measure?
What-time measure, that is true.
Page 74 of their affidavit, Lordship.
Para 19.
Lordship, that one-time measure is only applicable to people appointed against sanction posts.
With para 19.
1990.
Yes, Lordship, para 19, we have highlighted that in our affidavit also. It is true that the state government took a cabinet decision.
Literally.
Lordship. But before this order was passed, Lordship, they were eligible, and whether they were considered or not. They were not
That is
considered,
now
Lordship.
the thing of the past. Here, para 19 covers the whole thing.
Para 17 is the
Cabinet
one-time
took a
measure.
decision in 2005 to regularize all the muster roll workers.
Yes. And Lordship,
The legitimate expectation.
legitimate expectation
that
because
also
Lordship,
explains.
in the board, their services were regularized. It is not that.
Devi, I think you better study your case.
Lordship.
Better study your case.
Lordship.
Difficult.
Lordship,
I'll give you 1 week time. You study.
Their case is covered by your Lordship's order. And they have.
That order was passed prior time.
No, Lordship, in 2019 it is.
Yes, that's right.
It is. This is of 2017. They were appointed in 2019, Lordship. They had complied this order, Lordship.
Upindas was 2020.
2017.
2020.
2000. Decided on 8/6/2017. Lordship, whether this the period they have worked in board, Lordship, where their services were regularized and some were also promoted, Lordship, it will be considered or not, Lordship. They have not answered anything. After repeated, Lordship, repeated direction to submit, file the.
You file a reply to the affidavit filed by the PHE after that.
So that may be given, Lordship.
MSR David Learning for petitioner praise for how much time you require? 1 week,
Lordship,
2 weeks,
Lordship,
2 weeks,
Lordship.
2 weeks time to file reply to the counter filed by the respondent number. PHE is respondent number 3.
Respondent number 13456, Lordship.
No, respondent number 3, the latest
Three.
affidavit.
Three,
Three,
Lordship.
filed by 3.
Praise the Lord. List down. You want date or after 2 weeks?
No, Lordship, that may be fixed, Lordship. Immediately after vacation.
Give a date.
Lordship.
25.
In 25, Lordship, private respondent was supposed to file affidavit, Lordship, it is not filed.
Are Islam?
Last chance was given to them, Lordship.
Yes, Islam.
Yes, yes. That's why it's not here, madam. Only I on behalf of restaurant number 4 and 5 now, a week time maybe.
Already
4 and
last,
5 or 5 and 6?
5 weeks.
5 and 6, isn't it? Not 4 and 5.
Lordship, I'm appearing 2, 3 and 4, we have filed affidavit.
Yes, madam, 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Part will be learning council for petitioner. The respondents, 2, 3,
4 has already filed.
2, 3 and 4 have filed contract. You want to file reply to the, or you want to affidavit of 4 and 5?
No, Lordship, there is nothing.
Mr. S. Islam,
No, madam, I am, my name is H. Ulrich.
H. of the learning council,
For the restaurant,
appearing for
5 and
response
6.
5 and 6. Praise for
1 week time.
1 week time to file affidavit of
That may fix, Lordship.
praise the Lord. List on 24th October.
April.
Next week, Lordship.
Next week will be more.
All right.
Of license.
33.
But I think this PWD in regard to Dimahasa is a transfer subject. Now they will have to seek instruction as to the proposal, my lord, that was sent in 2022. That has lapsed, my lord. Whether they have again sent it, my lord, that has to be verified, my lord. So my friend is here, he will take instruction, my lord. Because without that proposal, my lord,
Okay, heard Mr.
KD Sharma.
K.T. Sharma, learned council. Mr.
G. Shamal.
G.
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 G for.
C, my lord, Charlie, my lord, C.
Oh, C. C. Sharma, learned council, learned standing council, Dimahasa. Shall receive instruction. Whether, as to whether the, where's that,
Page 50, Lordship.
as to whether the as to whether fresh supplementary demand, as to whether proposal for fresh supplementary demand for payment of various salary to the petitioner were made or not.
Supplementary demand to মানে এমনি না fine. Demand
So, fresh supplementary.
Just proposal lots.
My lord, now it will be proposal, because
Proposal.
supplementary demand is over.
Whether the fresh proposal for supplementary demand for payment of various salaries were made or not after the record dated 9/9. How much time is it for? Is the matter?
That may be fixed.
Give a date.
Master.